if you look right here, you can see where they reinforce this thing. Because this is a hollow door. And you can't put a doorknob into a hollow door. So what they do is reinforce a certain section of it. So whenever you put your doorknob in there, it'll have some nice backbone to be able to hold on to. Okay, so we're gonna be marking where our midline is. I already have a little jack plate in there. So we're gonna get our little square here and line that at there. And how we know where we're gonna put our little mark here is with this guy. So, and so I was about to make a huge mistake. I don't know, go back and look at this part where I measured this. And I thought my middle part was right here, right? But that's where it begins. And it's a 1-inch hole. So that's our beginning point. We're gonna go 1 inch over. We're just gonna make it the middle point. So that's where the middle's gonna be. Okay, so I had to vacuum this place up a little bit because I was slipping. There's a bunch of sawdust right here. I was trying to put some pressure on it, and it was just like pushing me back the whole time. And I swapped a more powerful drill. Phyllis, can you not shake in the middle of me talking, please? It's just like, and I know I can hear it super loud on the mic. I don't know if you guys saw that. That drill was smoking. I thought it was the wood smoking. I looked down and the drill is just about to catch on fire. Here's a little slow motion. Okay, so plan B. I'm gonna put a little hole right through the middle of this so I know where my hole is on the other side and come in from the other side. So just put a little. So that's a really good example of why you need to come in from the other side anyway. Look at this blowout. That was just from one little drill bit. You can imagine if the whole hole was to come out right there, it's gonna mess up this side of the door. So you always want to come in from the other side anyway to prevent this kind of blowout. My drill's smoking again. Now we're gonna measure this little guy out, put it in here. Now we'll get us a nice sharp razor knife and cut this out. I want you to that mission. Okay, so now I'm going to send this through here with this guy in here.